Looking to make everyday chores easier and your home more stylish? These unique Amazon household gadgets bring smart solutions and modern comfort right to your space. From clever tools to cozy upgrades, they're must-haves for any home. All the links are in the description below. Tired of sore necks and awkward naps while traveling? This inflatable travel pillow is designed at a 45 degrees angle for natural head and neck support, so you can finally rest comfortably on planes, trains, or even at your desk. It inflates in seconds, deflates just as fast, and packs away easily for stress-free travel. With soft, durable fabric and arm support built in, it's like bringing a mini nap station wherever you go. Cleaning doesn't have to be a back-breaking chore. This broom and dustpan set lets you sweep standing tall, thanks to its adjustable long handle. The broom head rotates 180 degrees to reach under furniture and into tricky corners with ease. Built-in comb teeth pull out dust and hair without touching the mess. When you're done, it folds up neatly for compact, upright storage. Turn any spot into your personal office. This adjustable laptop stand rolls anywhere, bed, sofa, or desk, so you can work in total comfort. It tilts up to 70 degrees for the perfect viewing angle and adjusts from sitting to standing in seconds. The sturdy swing arm keeps your device secure while you write, stream, or game. Smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move, so your workspace goes where you do. Turn your backyard into the ultimate summer hangout. This oversized inflatable pool is quick to set up and tough enough to handle hours of fun. Chill on the built-in bench, float around to cool off, or splash it up with friends and family. When the day's done, it deflates and folds neatly for simple storage. Big, comfy, and durable. It's the backyard upgrade you'll want every summer. Pop the top, literally. This clever tool removes the entire lid from your can, giving you a smooth, safe edge. No sharp rims, no mess, just a better way to sip. It works on almost any aluminum can, from soda to beer, and takes just seconds with a simple twist. Perfect for adding garnishes, mixing cocktails, or turning cans into reusable cups. Small, light, and ready to go anywhere. Wrinkled clothes ruining your look? This smart clothing care system saves the day. Just hang your shirt, load a fresh cup, and tap start. A superfine mist and warm air smooth out wrinkles while refreshing your clothes in minutes. Choose the standard cycle for everyday outfits or the extended one for heavier fabrics. Indicator lights keep you informed from start to finish, so it's effortless every time. Breakfast just turned into a style statement. This sleek toaster isn't just about looks, it's smart too. With one touch, you can toast, defrost, or reheat your bread just the way you like it. 6 browning levels give you full control, and the motorized lift adds a futuristic touch. It's elegance, technology, and perfect toast, all in one stunning piece for your kitchen. Tired of sore wrists after hours at your desk? This adjustable armrest gives your arm a perfect place to relax while you work. It clamps easily onto your desk with no drilling needed. The arm support moves with you, so typing or gaming feels natural. You can adjust the height to match your comfort level. It's strong, sleek, and keeps your posture in check all day long. Dinner just got way smarter. This multi-cooker handles everything: slow cooking, baking, steaming, even sautéing, all in one sleek appliance. The best part? It can cook 2 dishes at once and syncs them to finish at the same time. From tender roasts to fluffy rice and even desserts, it does it all. With easy clean pots and multiple settings, it's like having a full kitchen packed into one machine. Who needs harsh chemicals when you've got steam power in your hands? This portable cleaner blasts away grime, grease, and stubborn dirt with nothing but hot steam. It heats up in minutes and gives you continuous cleaning without the mess. Use it on grout, windows, tiles, or even fabrics. It comes with 10 handy tools for every job. Safe, powerful, and perfect for a deep clean anywhere in your home. Love puzzles, but hate the mess? This rotating puzzle board keeps everything neat and easy to reach. It spins a full 360 degrees, so no more stretching across the table. 6 sliding drawers store sorted pieces safely, and a clear cover protects your work from dust or curious pets. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's perfect for puzzling anywhere in comfort. Step into your own private cinema anytime, anywhere. These AR glasses project a massive 215-inch virtual screen right in front of your eyes, powered by ultra-sharp micro OLED displays. With a wide 50-degree field of view and smooth 120 Hz visuals, movies and games feel larger than life. Brightness adjusts up to 600 nits for vivid clarity indoors or out. Lightweight and powered by USB-C. You just plug in and escape into pure immersion. Struggling with thinning hair? This high-tech comb uses gentle infrared lasers to wake up your hair follicles. It delivers light therapy right where it's needed while giving your scalp a relaxing 360 degrees massage. The result? Better circulation, less stress, and a boost for hair growth. It's fully waterproof, so you can even use it in the shower for a spa-like experience at home. Scrubbing the bathroom doesn't have to break your back. This cordless spin scrubber does the heavy work for you. With a push of a button, it powers through grime at 2 speeds. 8 interchangeable brush heads tackle tubs, tiles, corners, and even car detailing. The adjustable handle reaches high spots and tight spaces. No bending, no kneeling. Waterproof, rechargeable, and ready to make cleaning almost fun. Throwing out trash just got high-tech. This smart wastebasket opens automatically with a wave of your hand. No touching, no mess. The sensor keeps the lid open while you're tossing things in, then shuts quietly on its own. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or any spot you want extra hygiene. Sleek, modern, and waterproof, it blends right in while making cleanup effortless. Wake up smarter with a bedside upgrade that does more than just buzz. This dual alarm clock doubles as a wireless charger. Just place your phone on top, and it powers up while you rest. There's even a USB port for extra devices, plus Bluetooth for playing your favorite tunes. It automatically sets the correct time after power outages, making it one of the most convenient clocks you'll ever own. Long hours at your desk just got an upgrade. This executive chair reclines with the push of a button, so you can work or nap in perfect comfort. The built-in footrest and lumbar massage melt away fatigue. Wide armrests keep your shoulders relaxed, and the sustainable leather feels smooth yet tough enough for daily use. Big, tall, and built to last, this chair is all about serious comfort. Cold feet while working? Not anymore. This underdesk heater wraps your feet and legs in instant warmth using advanced radiant heating. It heats up in seconds and stays whisper quiet so you can focus without distractions. Adjustable temperature and timer settings give you full control, and its foldable design makes storage easy. Perfect for home offices or study spaces. Stay cozy without cranking up the whole house heat. Haircuts with tears? Not anymore. These baby hair clippers come with a built-in vacuum that sucks up trimmed hair as you cut. No mess, no stress. The blades have rounded edges for safe, gentle trimming on delicate skin. It's whisper quiet, so your little one stays calm the whole time. When you're done, rinse it under water and it's ready for the next cut. It's like having a tiny robot roommate who actually listens. This AI desktop companion chats with you, remembers past conversations, and reacts with real personality, sometimes playful, sometimes thoughtful. It sees you, hears you, and even recognizes your gestures, making interactions feel alive. Beyond the charm, it doubles as a wireless charger and phone stand. Over time, it learns your habits, growing into a companion that truly feels like your own. Breathe easier every day. This compact air purifier quietly removes dust, pet dander, smoke, and allergens from your space. Its HEPA-level filter captures even the tiniest particles while reducing odors. Real-time sensors show your air quality improving right on the screen. And with long-lasting filtration, you won't be changing filters every few months. Clean air, low hassle, and peace of mind, all in one sleek design. Sleeping in silence is great, but what if you could drift off to your favorite playlist? This 3D sleep mask hides Bluetooth headphones inside for the ultimate bedtime upgrade. It blocks out light completely, so you can nap anywhere, even on a bright plane. Soft, contoured, and designed with no eye pressure, it's perfect for side sleepers. The battery lasts all night, so your dreams stay as calm as your music. Meet your new favorite piece of furniture, a chic Ottoman that's secretly a luxury foot massager. Slip your feet in and let deep tissue rollers, air compression, and soothing heat melt away stress. It's cordless, so you can relax anywhere, and the bold design adds a pop of style to your space. Comfort, elegance, and a spa-like experience, all in one beautiful Ottoman. Charge your Apple essentials in style. The MagTube Qi 2 3-in-1 station powers your iPhone up to 15 watts, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once, with MagSafe compatible magnetic alignment for a perfect snap every time. Built-in safety features like foreign object detection and overcurrent protection keep your devices safe, while its compact, travel-ready design fits perfectly on your desk, nightstand, or in your bag. Hot day in the kitchen? This mini portable air cooler brings the chill right where you need it. Using rapid ice mist technology, it cools the air in seconds, perfect for beating the heat while you cook, work, or relax. Choose from 3 airflow levels, from a soft breeze to a powerful blast. Place it on a counter or mount it on the wall without drilling. Compact, quiet, and refreshingly effective. Big loads don't have to mean big effort. This lightweight folding hand truck glides smoothly on 360-degree swivel wheels, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The adjustable handle lets you set the perfect height for comfortable pulling or pushing. Anti-skid pads and included bungee cords keep your cargo secure. When the job's done, it folds down small enough to store in a closet, car trunk, or office corner. Cool your room without the worry of spinning blades. This modern bladeless ceiling fan doubles as a stylish LED light, giving you both comfort and brightness in one sleek design. The dimmable light lets you set the mood, while 6 fan speeds give you the perfect breeze, from a gentle whisper to a strong, cool flow. A remote puts full control in your hands, and with no blades to clean, upkeep is quick and easy.